We all want to improve the lives of our furry companions. With today's technology, there's a wide range of innovative pet gadgets and accessories that simplify pet care and make it more enjoyable. In this video, we'll show you 20 pet gadgets and accessories on Amazon. Let's get started. These durable, tough, and non-toxic toys are designed to withstand aggressive chewing, ensuring long-lasting, safe playtime. They help promote dental health by wiping away tartar as your dog chews, contributing to cleaner teeth and better oral hygiene. Plus, they're easy to clean and reuse. Make playtime more engaging with the multifunctional design. The built-in bell attracts interest, while the sucker base allows for interactive fun, helping to relieve boredom and prevent destructive behaviors. You can even use it as a puzzle toy. Simply add food or treats inside the ball to challenge your dog, stimulate their intelligence, and make snack time more rewarding. Make picking up after your pet a breeze with Glad for Pets large dog waste bags. These bags feature a pleasant tropical breeze scent to help mask unpleasant odors during cleanup. Designed to be extra strong, they are tear-resistant and leak-resistant, giving you confidence with every pickup. The fun designs add a touch of style to this essential task. Cleaning up after your dog or cat is quick and easy with these convenient bags. This pack includes 6 rolls, totaling 90 bags, perfect for refilling your dispenser and ensuring you're prepared for months. Make bath time easier and more effective with Pecute pet grooming gloves. This 2-in-1 design combines a cleaning brush and glove, making bathing as simple as petting your furry friend. Featuring 3,000 high-density, soft silicone brush heads, these gloves create more foam, increase friction, and deeply clean your pet's skin while protecting their health. Made from 100% premium, heat-resistant silicone, they can even be sterilized with boiling water, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Internal anti-skid bumps ensure the gloves stay securely on your hands during use. Conveniently store them using the built-in hanging hole. Filled with 3.5 inches of premium polypropylene fiber, secured with 6 keyhole fixations, this bed offers excellent support, relieving pressure on joints and comforting body aches. The ultra-soft rose velvet material is incredibly cozy and warm, helping your pet calm down, ease anxiety, and sleep soundly. Its non-slip, anti-scratch bottom keeps the bed securely in place, whether your pet is stepping on or off. Best of all, this bed is fully machine washable and designed to maintain its shape even after multiple washes, ensuring a clean and hygienic space for your pet. Measuring 35 by 23 inches, it's perfect for dogs up to 65 pounds and can be used as a crate bed, dog pillow, kennel pad, or even a travel bed. Designed with a breathable outer layer, these wraps ensure your dog stays comfortable, even in hot climates, without feeling trapped. They offer 360-degree leak-proof protection barriers and a super absorbent core to prevent unwanted spills and marking accidents. The fur-safe, readjustable fasteners provide a snug and secure fit that won't stick to his fur, ensuring he's comfortable. No matter how wiggly your dog is, the unique stretchy fabric allows for leg-lifting comfort while keeping the wrap securely in place. Plus, a convenient wetness indicator changes color on the outside, letting you know exactly when it's time for a fresh wrap. Perfect for bathing, swimming, or just dabbling, this pool sets up in no time without any hassle of inflation. It's incredibly portable, simply fold it up to a small size for easy storage and travel. Draining and refreshing the water is simple with the convenient bottom or side drain. Built to last, it's made from extra tough PVC with thick sides, a thicker slip-resistant bottom, and wrapped edges to prevent wear and punctures. Available in various sizes to suit your needs, from small to extra large, and made from environmentally friendly materials, meeting EN 71 and ASTM standards. Just remember to trim your dog's nails before use. Make travel and access easier for your dog with this sturdy yet lightweight ramp. Crafted from high-grade aluminum, it features an internal load-bearing crossbar and a mechanically designed structure, supporting dogs up to 250 pounds. The non-slip carpet surface has a dense loofah-like texture, providing excellent traction. It absorbs impact, relieving pressure on paws and joints. Plus, each step has an anti-slip, rubber-like surface for secure footing in any weather. At 63 inches long, this ramp offers a gentler incline. This reduces muscle strain and protects against injury. It even includes a safety rope and stainless steel buckles for extra security. Keep your furry friends safe and stylish with the Joytale Reflective Dog Collar. Available in sizes from X small to X large, there's a perfect fit for puppies and dogs of all breeds. Its highly reflective threads ensure high visibility at night, making it easy to spot your pet in the dark for added safety. Made from breathable nylon with thick, comfortable neoprene padding, this collar prevents chafing. The weatherproof zinc alloy D-ring resists rust, and the ultralight alloy design reduces neck strain, making it ideal for all-day wear, hiking, swimming, and daily adventures. This classic yet stylish collar comes in 13 vibrant colors. This perch features an upgraded, thickened, fluffy cushion cover for maximum comfort and safety while your cat sleeps. The reverse side is breathable sandwich mesh, and you can easily switch or remove the zippered cover for washing. It's bite and scratch resistant with no chemical smell. Its cordless design means no tangled ropes, allowing your cat to freely jump up and down. Measuring 23.3 by 11.2 inches, it provides ample space and fits windows at least 23.3 inches wide. A unique feature is its foldability. Keep the cushion side up for use, or flip to the mesh side to easily fold the perch up, allowing you to close your blinds without interference. Help your pet recover comfortably with the Kuoser Dog Recovery Suit. Made from high elastic, breathable polyester, this suit fits snugly without being tight, and it's easy to wash and quick to dry. It's a fantastic alternative to the traditional e-collar, allowing your dog or cat to eat, sleep, and move around more freely without a restrictive cone. This protective onesie shields wounds and incisions after spaying or neutering, preventing licking, biting, or scratching, and helping to keep your pet calm. Suitable for both male and female dogs, it features an adjustable back length and closure for easy on and off. Help your furry friend reach their favorite spots with the Ahpmeoa Dog Stairs. This multifunctional unit combines climbing and playing, and can even serve as a cat scratching surface. Designed for safety and comfort, these stairs feature curved steps and a soft, non-slip coral fleece surface. The high-density foam core ensures stability as your pet climbs. Cleaning is easy thanks to the removable machine-washable cover. For best stability, place them against a sofa, bed, or wall during use. Give your dog the gift of restful sleep with the Comfort Expression Orthopedic Dog Bed. Its smart four-sided wrapping design offers a sense of security, while soft foam armrests provide comfortable neck and head support, promoting better sleep. At its core is 4 inches of high-density 28D egg crate foam, which is soft yet supportive, evenly distributing weight to comfort joints and muscles, perfect for older or arthritic dogs. It provides excellent orthopedic support and a cozy nesting area. Your pet will love the spacious 48 by 32-inch sleep surface, covered in high-quality PV plush that's incredibly soft, durable, and gentle on their skin and paws. These diapers are specially designed for female dogs, making them easy to put on and take off. They're useful for untrained puppies, female dogs in heat, or those experiencing excitement urination or incontinence. Made to be soft and comfortable, they don't have the crinkly texture many dogs dislike. The fur-safe hook and loop closures are quick, easy, and won't stick to your pet's fur. A highly absorbent pad is sewn into the diaper, and a leak-free outer layer protects your rugs, carpets, chairs, and sofas. This pack includes 3 stylish washable doggy diapers in hot pink, purple, and aqua, a more comfortable and fashionable alternative to disposable diapers. This versatile pad is perfect as a crate mat, dog bed, kennel bed, or dog pillow, providing ultimate comfort and support indoors or outdoors. Made with Oeko-Tex certified fabric, It's free from harmful substances, providing an ultra-soft and healthy resting space for your dog. The anti-slip base keeps the mat securely in place, preventing sliding and ensuring stability. Its top fabric is water-resistant, effectively repelling liquids to protect the internal foam, perfect for accidents or outdoor use. Thanks to fixed stitching, the foam stays stable and the entire pad is fully machine washable, retaining its shape for a consistently comfortable bed. Carry your young puppy or small dog comfortably on daily walks and weekend adventures with the CUBY Dog and Cat Sling Carrier, perfect for pets who like or need to be carried. Made from high-quality, soft, breathable cotton, it's non-toxic, skin-friendly, and comfortable for your beloved pet, with no color fading to keep it looking fresh. The wide and thick fixed strap helps you find a comfortable walking position by spreading the weight evenly over your shoulder and back, minimizing any discomfort. This lovely, reversible, hands-free sling carrier prioritizes safety. It loops over your shoulder, allowing your pet to rest securely and comfortably in the pouch on your opposite hip. Create a large, secure area for your pets with the BestPet dog playpen. It offers plenty of room and tall sides to keep your pet safely contained, and you can even connect multiple playpens to create an even larger space. Easily change the shape to a rectangle, square, or octagon without any tools to suit your needs. Setting up is a breeze with simple assembly instructions. It goes up and comes down quickly, saving you time. Constructed from sturdy, rust-resistant metal, this durable playpen is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. It's also great for camping. No tools are required, and it quickly collapses for convenient storage and travel, thanks to its lightweight design. For pet parents seeking an easy alternative to capsules or soft chews, try Wild Alaskan Salmon Oil. Just a few quick pumps of this liquid oil mix nicely with your dog or cat's food, whether it's kibble, wet food, or raw. It's loved by small, medium, and large breeds alike. The rich fatty acids found in this salmon oil support joint health, heart function, and a strong immune system, helping to keep your four-legged friend feeling lively and active every day, all without the fuss. Keep your dog entertained and satisfy their natural urge to chew with Fuufome Plush dog toys designed to withstand enthusiastic chewing. Featuring a realistic cartoon design, this 13.5-inch plush toy will keep your dog interested. A squeaker in the head keeps them engaged, helping to reduce loneliness and curb unwanted behaviors like excessive biting. It's great for tossing, chewing, fetching, and pulling. Made from upgraded soft pineapple cotton with thicker fabric and stronger stitching, it's gentle on your dog's mouth, making it ideal for teething puppies, yet durable. Introducing the upgraded Cheerble Wicked Ball Air, a smart interactive dog toy designed for enhanced play. Made with an ultralight, 100% pet-safe, and bite-resistant ETPU outer shell, it's built for fun and durability. Choose from 3 interactive modes: normal, passive, or gentle, to perfectly match your dog's playstyle and energy level, providing excellent mental stimulation and endless entertainment. The super chew-proof and eco-friendly shell is also easily replaceable when needed. With a 3.2-inch diameter, the Wicked Ball Air is ideal for medium to large breeds weighing 35 pounds or more. Introducing the CHEERHOME Pets Sisal Cat Scratcher Bed, offering 2 functions in one. It's not just a place for your cat to sharpen its claws, but also a cozy hammock for napping. Made from natural materials, it's safe and harmless, with no toxic chemicals or strong odors, ensuring your cat's health. The durable frame is crafted from European beechwood, harder than ordinary woods, and coated with wood wax oil for a longer, moisture-proof life. The scratching surface features tightly woven, natural sisal fabric, which is wear-resistant and protects your furniture.